In this tutorial we will compare Fidelity and Blackrock to determine the best broker and Bitcoin ETF holder for 2025. First we need to understand what Fidelity and Blackrock are. Fidelity is a financial services company that offers a wide range of investment products and services, including brokerage accounts and retirement accounts, while Blackrock is an investment management company that offers a variety of investment products, including ETFs and mutual funds. When it comes to brokerage services, Fidelity is generally considered to be one of the best brokers in the industry, offering low fees, a wide range of investment products, and excellent customer service. Blackrock, on the other hand, is not a broker, but rather an investment manager that offers its products through other brokers. In terms of Bitcoin ETFs, Blackrock has recently launched its own Bitcoin ETF, which is traded on the NYSE. This makes Blackrock a major player in the Bitcoin ETF market. Fidelity also offers a Bitcoin ETF, but it is not as widely traded as Blackrock's. To decide which one is the best, we need to consider the fees associated with each. Fidelity's fees are generally lower, with a management fee of 0.15%, while Blackrock's fees are slightly higher, with a management fee of 0.25%. We also need to consider the investment minimums. Fidelity has a lower investment minimum, with a minimum investment of $100, while Blackrock's minimum investment is $1,000. In conclusion, Fidelity is the best broker for 2025 due to its low fees, wide range of investment products, and excellent customer service. When it comes to Bitcoin ETFs, Blackrock is a major player, but Fidelity's lower fees make it a better choice for investors. Ultimately, the best choice will depend on your individual investment goals and needs.